Imagine a machine that quietly takes over the job of a failing kidney, hour after hour, filtering blood, removing deadly toxins, balancing fluids, and giving millions of patients another chance at life. Today, we are stepping inside this life-saving technology. In this 3D animation, we are going to explore the hemodialysis machine in complete detail. Every major component, what each part does, and finally, how all these parts work together as one perfectly synchronized system. Let's begin. At its core, a hemodialysis machine is built around three major systems: the blood circuit, the dialysate circuit, the monitoring and safety system. Let's follow the journey of blood. 1. Arterial line, blood leaving the patient. Blood first exits the patient through the arterial line. Its function is to carry blood from the patient to the machine safely. 2. Blood pump, moving blood forward. Next, blood reaches the blood pump. The pump gently pulls blood forward at a controlled speed. Its function is to maintain a steady and safe blood flow rate. 3. Heparin pump, preventing blood clots. As blood circulates outside the body, clotting can occur. The heparin pump delivers anticoagulant medication. Its function is to prevent clot formation inside the tubing and dialyzer. 4. Arterial pressure monitor, checking incoming blood pressure. Sensors continuously measure pressure in the arterial line. Its function is to detect access problems, kinks, or blockages early. 5. Dialyzer, cleaning the blood now enters the dialyzer. Inside are thousands of microscopic hollow fibers. Its function is to remove waste, extra water, and balance electrolytes through a semi-permeable membrane. 6. Dialysate inlet, supplying fresh cleansing fluid. Fresh dialysate enters the dialyzer. Its function is to provide the cleansing fluid that pulls toxins from blood. 7. Conductivity sensor, checking salt concentration. The machine checks dialysate salt concentration. Its function is to ensure correct electrolyte composition. 8. Temperature sensor, controlling fluid. Temperature dialysate, temperature is monitored. Its function is to keep dialysate at a safe body-compatible temperature. 9. Used dialysate outlet, removing waste fluid. Waste-filled dialysate exits the system. Its function is to remove toxins and excess fluid from the machine. 10. Transmembrane pressure monitor, controlling filtration pressure. TMP measures pressure across the membrane. Its function is to control fluid removal from blood. 11. Ultrafiltration, control system, removing excess. Fluid clinicians set a fluid removal target. Its function is to precisely remove the programmed amount of fluid. 12. Air trap chamber, removing air bubbles. Blood enters an air trap. Its function is to capture air bubbles before blood returns to patient. 13. Air detector, detecting air sensors scan for air. Its function is to stop the machine if air is detected. 14. Venous pressure monitor, checking returning blood pressure. Pressure in returning blood is measured. Its function is to detect resistance or clotting. 15. Venous line, blood returning to the patient. Clean blood flows back to the body. Its function is to safely return filtered blood to the patient. 16. Blood pressure monitor, monitoring patient vitals. Patient blood pressure is tracked. Its function is to detect sudden drops or instability. 17. Touch screen control panel, controlling the machine. The control center of the machine. Its function is to display treatment parameters and allow adjustments. How the entire system works together. Blood leaves patient, blood pump moves, blood heparin, prevents clotting. Blood enters dialyzer. Waste moves into dialysate. Clean blood exits dialyzer. Air is removed. Blood returns to patient. This cycle continues for several hours, multiple times each week. Why this machine matters? Because when kidneys fail, this machine becomes the kidney. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, Don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more educational 3D videos. And let me know in the comments, what topic would you like me to cover next in 3D? Your suggestions could be the focus of my next video.